guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is TAKARAONEA, or you can call me Teeks. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a highly awaited, it's been some years, I'm going to be doing a 5 must-have apps for fashion designers with not only iPhones but with Androids, because that video that went viral on my channel some years back when I did my first 5 must-have apps for fashion designers, it was mostly just like iPhone apps, well, only like compatible for iPhones, and I didn't realize that. And a lot of people were like, can you make a video, updated video on like ones that people who have Androids can download, apps that people who have Androids can download? So I'm like, oh yeah, I don't even know why I didn't even think about that. So in this video today, this video is going to be not only for people with iPhones but who have Androids. All of these apps are compatible with Androids as well. Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about today. You guys ended up loving this 5 must-have apps for fashion designers video, so that's why I'm bringing another one to you guys. And if you guys end up liking this one, I'll bring more to you as well. Anyways, I'm just gonna hop right into it. Hopefully this is helpful. Make sure you get out your pens and your papers or your phones so you can get ready to download these extremely helpful apps. Okay, so let's hop right into it. Okay, let's go. So I have my phone. The first app that I have is the Sketchbook app, and this is exactly what it says. It's basically just in digital form, so this would be perfect for when you are sketching out your designs. I feel like this is great for if you're on the go and you are sensing some type of inspiration, whether you're on the train, whether you're walking, whether you're at a coffee shop, wherever you're at. If you think of a design and it's in your head and you need to get it out of your head, the Sketchbook app is perfect because you can do this right on your phone. If you buy you like a little kind of like little pen, like the iPad pens, phone pens, whatever you call it, digital pens, you can use that and sketch right on your phone or right on your iPad as well. So yeah, so I think this overall is a really great app. There are a lot of different stroke tools on there, a complete artist toolkit on there. This app can even be used for the little ones, so all the way from ages 4 and up. It does have a 4.8 rating and it's marked number 27 in graphics and design. So I don't feel like this is just for fashion designers. This is just great for overall artists as well. But if you're a fashion designer and you just need something for your sketching and you want it to be digitally, I have this, and I also have my regular sketchbooks. I like to sketch in my sketchbook, like paper, but I always feel like these are really good for the digital aspect of it is great for on the go as well. If you ever just want to like snap a picture of your design digitally and maybe put it on Instagram, or you're using it for like your digital portfolio, this is perfect for that. So yeah, I love the Sketchbook app. And if you're just somebody who likes to do things digitally, if you don't want to carry around a little tiny sketchbook, this would be the perfect way to go. So this does have in-app purchases as well, where you can unlock premium bundles, I believe, for like $2.99. So there are some in-app purchases as well, but overall definitely think it's worth it, and in that it's a really great app. So the next app that we're gonna move on to is one of my favorites, which I don't know if a lot of people use this or not, but it's one of my favorites to go to when I just want to see like what's the updated news in fashion, especially on the business side of fashion, because I think when we think of like fashion design, a lot of fashion designers only focus on the creative aspect of it and the designing aspect of it, but we kind of forget that a lot of fashion design is also marketing, sales, business. So you have to tie that in as well. You can't forget about that aspect when it comes to designing and being a designer, because ultimately being a fashion designer is still a business. And if you are doing it independently and you don't really have a team yet, you're going to have to tie in the business side of it and learn more about the business side of fashion as well. So that is why I love the Business of Fashion app. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like Vogue a little bit as well, but when you type it in, you'll see it says BOF Professional. It has like a white background with a black logo, and I just love it. You're going to be updated about all, like I said, the daily fashion news. A lot of fashion editors put a lot of different, a lot of fashion editors make a lot of updates on this app. You can learn a lot about what's going on in the sustainability aspect of fashion, what's going on in the luxury aspect of fashion, maybe trends or even marketing trends or business trends, events that are shaping the fashion industry. There's just a lot of great news on here. Even though this one is where you have to actually pay for a lot of the updates, I definitely feel like it is worth it. Overall, I feel like it's a great app. Business of Fashion actually has a really great YouTube channel as well, where you can watch a lot of, they have like a lot of sit downs where they talk about, like I said, a lot of things that are going on in the fashion industry as well. So I just love the whole aspect of the Business of Fashion, and it's one of my go-tos, and I definitely feel like a lot of fashion designers should download this app. So that's going to be another great app that you can download that is also compatible with Android as well. So the next app that I have for you guys is going to be Adobe Capture, and I feel like this is a very cool app. Again, this is a great app for on the go when you are out and about. This app gives you the opportunity to be able to maybe take pictures of things around you if you go to like a museum, or maybe if you're out and about, you're traveling and you kind of are inspired by what's around you. You can take pictures right from the Adobe Capture app, right from your phone, and kind of grasp that inspiration, but turn those inspirations and those pictures that you have from maybe different colors in your picture or different patterns or textures in your picture, and you can turn these into digital assets that could be on your phone in the app to maybe put into like a collage of like ideas or inspiration, or mood boards for your collections. So I feel like this gives you the opportunity to kind of get production ready for like different color themes, patterns, different shapes that you want to maybe use in your designs or your collections, maybe different 3D materials, or maybe like, or different custom brushes. So there's a lot of different things that you can do on the apps where you can create different color themes. Again, being able to capture different colors, patterns, shapes, textures, designs, and turning them into like vector graphics, having them on your phone. I really just feel like overall this is a really great app for that, and I just feel like this is really great for print and textiles within your designs. So definitely think about getting the Adobe Capture app. This has in-app payments as well, but overall I definitely feel like it's a great app, along with like Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. I love all Adobe programs. I use Adobe Photoshop for a while to do like my thumbnails. I don't use Adobe Photoshop like that anymore because I use Canva now, but I do feel like Adobe Photoshop has really good like programs, and you can get a lot of programs together within like a monthly subscription. So you just have to go on Adobe. But again, this app is right from your phone, and I think it's just amazing and a really great app for fashion designers. So the next app we have is Concepts, which is a sketch, note, and drawing app. Okay, so the Concept app is like a very versatile app, even though it's a similar to, kind of a little bit different from Sketchbook, because but I really think it's a really powerful tool for fashion designers. This one offers infinite different canvases, editable vectors that you can use within the app. There's a lot of different layers to this app. It's really ideal for sketching, ideation, being able to create different presentations and presenting different designs and collections. It's a very versatile app. You can also use it for your different design tasks that you have, including hand sketching, pattern making, creating different mood boards for your design. So overall, it has a lot of great tools and needs inside the app, from mood board creations, croquets, illustrations, pattern making, like I said, sketching, color and texture, presenting to designs, doing a lot of different collaborations. I just think overall it's a really great app, so you definitely should look into it. It's a more flexible sketching app. So if you don't just want something that has just sketching, which I still love Sketchbook, you could try out the Concepts app. So this is another really great sketching and kind of like mood board creation app that I just think is overall great for fashion designers. So the next one that we have is Fashion Designs Sketches book, which again is another sketching book. So what I love about fashion design sketches book is the fact that this is like a sketch pad for all fashion designers of any age, and from amateur to people that are very advanced. Like, this is a great app for anybody who wants to bring their creative ideas to life. I just feel like this app has a very fresh perspective to it. It has a lot of unique different looks for not only women but for men and kids, and there's a lot of different illustration and template books inside this app that I feel like help you to seamlessly create different sketches for whatever looks that you're trying to create. There's also a really wide range of different clothing that you can pick out within the app, and different elements of like bodices and sleeves and collars and necklines and shirts. There's a lot of different things that you can choose from, a lot of different styles within the app. So you can also add hairstyles to your sketches. So if you're looking for something that's more kind of like where you aren't really like a perfect drawer, this app kind of helps you. I feel like if you don't know how to draw, this app is going to like help you, give you like a base, a foundation to kind of create without the stresses of needing to completely just be like this like advanced drawer. Like, because I know a lot of people who will want to be fashion designers, they don't know how to draw like that, or they're just not perfect at it. So, and that's completely fine. I feel like this app gives you the tools to be able to create different patterns, different color palettes, select different fabric textures, and it has a lot of different drawing tools and pencils and markers, just to make everything, the designing process, again, more easier and more precise and just more professional looking. So I really like this, and I love that it is right on your phone, and you could just create different collections right within the fashion design sketches book app. So it's really cool, and I feel like it's great for all ages. So those are my 5 must-have fashion apps for fashion designers, with not only iPhones but Androids as well. But I'm going to give you guys 2 bonus apps. If you made it to this far in the video, I do have 2 bonus apps that I feel like you should download. And my other bonus app for this, my next app, is going to be Shopify. If you are somebody who is pretty much like ready to start putting your designs or market your design online, and you're trying to like drive traffic, and you're trying to like make more sales outside of foot traffic, but you're trying to make sales online, and you're trying to find your clients or find more customers online, I feel like Shopify is a very great app. I am not sponsored by Shopify for this video at all, but Shopify, if you're watching this and you want to sponsor my next video, holla at your girl, okay? But yeah, I feel like Shopify is a very great app. I have used it for my vintage clothing boutique, and I love it because it gives me the ability to have a website, a professional looking website, without having to do so much coding in the background, without having to just put in so much tedious work into creating a website. It just makes it so easy for you to set up a website, take your pictures, put your pictures on the website, and to sell and to make sales, receive sales, to promote, because you have your link. You can just post your link, drive traffic from using social media. And I just love Shopify. I love all the in-apps within Shopify as well, because there's a lot of in-apps within Shopify that can help you to, again, drive more sales, to help market your products and convert them into sales, and again, just to have a professional looking website. So if you're somebody who is ready to upload and post your designs, and you have already gotten like your collection or your designs down pat, or maybe you do custom designs, whatever the case may be, whatever designer that you are, maybe you don't even sell clothes, you sell purses or hats, accessories, whatever the case may be, socks, I don't care what it is that you sell, that you design and sell, you literally can place your products on Shopify and make sales, start making sales tomorrow, okay? So it's that simple. So I love Shopify, and they do have an app for it that you can do right on your phone, and I'm telling you, it's so fun to hear when you get your website up. It's so fun to have Shopify on your phone and hearing those little cha-chings and hearing that little money coming in from your Shopify, and being able to track everything, seeing when people are visiting your website. It's just really fun. I love it. So definitely look into Shopify app, and of course you can do it online, but it's a great app as well. And the last app that I'm going to talk about for fashion designers, because I feel like there are a lot of fashion designers or people who are kind of overlooking this when it comes to fashion design, but I would recommend downloading Roblox, because nowadays you can actually be a Roblox fashion designer. You can actually make clothes, design clothes. If you're somebody who actually knows how to illustrate and like draw on make illustrations digitally, you can actually design clothes put them on Roblox, and you can actually make money from being a fashion designer on Roblox. So that's more so of like a digital thing. But if you're somebody who loves to draw, you love to design, you know what I mean, and you love like the digital aspect of things, think about getting into, you should definitely download the Roblox app, use one of these sketching apps, and think about creating some cool, cute designs for Roblox, for the Roblox characters, because people are always buying different clothing on Roblox, and you could be making money. You can be the person that is providing these cute little designs that people can use within the game and making some extra moolah for yourself and your family. So definitely look into that. Definitely download the Roblox app. I know a lot of people are always skeptical about Roblox, but I believe in the app outside of all the other little stuff outside of it. But I feel like it's a really great STEM app, and I love the aspects of, like, you know, building things. It kind of in a sense like how when we had Sims, you know what I mean? So it's a very cool app, and I do feel like I love the fact that there's an opportunity to actually for younger kids, if you're a teenager or if you're somebody who is young, being able to have that ability to, you know, design right from your phone, right from your iPad, right from your computer, and actually putting your designs within the app and make some money. So that's another bonus app that I wanted to give you guys to download. Look into Roblox for my fashion designers out there, especially my young teen fashion designers, where maybe you don't really have the money, or your parents won't provide you the money to be able to go out and buy, you know, a sewing machine or, you know, a lot of fabrics at this moment. Get online, get in your sketching app, and start designing those clothes, okay honey, and putting them on the Roblox app. So yeah, you guys, those are my 5 must-have apps for fashion designers, plus my 2 bonus apps. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys thought of this video below, or if you're already using these apps, let me know how you love them, or let me know how you love them if you do end up trying them out for yourself. Other than that, that is all I have for this video. Do request your videos down below, because I want to know what content you guys would love to see from me this May. Other than that, I love you guys, and until the next video, I will see you at the top. Peace.